All right, mates. Fed releasing inflation rate information from the Consumer Price Index. That's the CPI on Thursday, January 12th. Watch the number. 6.3 to 6.5 seems to be the generally accepted number of what we're going to fall. A lot of times that number gets leaked out. But any deviation from that number, higher or lower, is going to move Bitcoin. Okay, so if we come in higher than right at 6.5 or a little higher as expected, in the expected range or a little bit higher than that inflation number, expect a quick retrace back to that 16,500 to 16,800 level. If we get closer to that 6.3% number or best that number, and an inflation report comes in lower than expected, okay, you can expect a quick ascent in Bitcoin above 18,000 in trading on Thursday into Friday, with a little bit of a burst from a higher than expected or a better than expected, meaning lower, inflation number. And you want to keep that. You've got basically a 17,800 to about 18,200 liquidity pools in that area that can easily be filled with a 6.3 or a 6.2 inflation number. And then again, a 6.5 or higher inflation number, we could see this 6% rally we've been having in Bitcoin since the beginning of the year wither away pretty darn quickly. You definitely have some support below us, over the last month, but a poorly reported inflation number is going to unwind that 6% gain that we've gotten this year. It's happened before. It happened in 2022. Remember, I think the number was over 7% in 2022 after the holidays. So, again, that's going to be the barometer that's going to move this market either way. So you want to be ready for that. Now, how do you get, again, not financial advice, but how do you look at how is the market going to prepare itself for that number reporting? One, they're going to sell stop losses on their current existing positions, okay? Or if you're a leverage trader, you are going to buy hedges. So if you've got an open leverage trade or perpetual trade on Bitcoin, you are going to protect that trade by buying a stop loss or a short hedge, low leverage, in case the number comes in lower than expected and the market takes down. And so that's how the market is going to play it. That's why you're seeing a lot of activity today in the contracts. You always do leading up to an inflation number. So watch that tomorrow.